Welcome to the Traders Workshop. In this video we will talk about online trading in a nutshell. What is online trading? Online trading is the act of buying and selling financial products on the internet. Online trading may include buying and selling of a share of a stocks, international currencies, or what is commonly known as forex, indices, cryptocurrencies, and other financial instruments. Most people trade online through an online broker. An online broker is a brokerage firm that offers its services on the internet. Unlike traditional brokers, the investor or trader does not meet the broker face-to-face, or via the telephone. Everything works online. Brokerage firms make online trading platforms available to anybody who wishes to trade financial instruments. In the past, investors would either visit or call their broker to make a trade for them. In fact, there was no other choice. For example, in the 1980s, if I wanted to buy 300 PLDT shares, I would call my broker and tell him that I would like to place an order request. My broker would let me know what the PLDT share market price was, and confirm the order to buy. The whole procedure was relatively lengthy. The broker would confirm how long to keep an order, where the stop loss will go, which account to draw money from, etc. Today, with online trading, you can do everything yourself, with a click of a mouse button. In other words, online traders can buy and sell financial securities on their own. They can even carry out multiple orders with nobody's help. Most importantly, the modern online trader can do all these things rapidly and almost instantly. In the next video, we will talk about the difference between an investor and a trader, and the different kinds of traders. As always, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.